5 minutes of video
ready?
time.
Hold on.
I started hitting.
Can you see, Kurt?
You all set?
Eric, get back.
Fine. Here you go.
Should we duck behind the concrete?
That's why I wanted that there.
This hit me in the leg.
Was it 3 shots?
What?
3 shots?
The shrapnel clear over here.
That is awesome. Holy cow.
Where's the dishwasher?
That thing that landed between the concretes and the thighs, that's what I saw coming at me.
Rolling all the way up here. Look at this.
Post-mortem here.
A little piece of plastic on the right of that.
Rosie got hit.
Look, these are left a hole in the ground.
That was awesome.
There's electronic.
It was behind this. No, there's absolutely nothing left. It was behind this old tire here.
Cardboard boxes survived.